I say thank you to the Business Finance Suite team. They were able to help me accomplish what I set out to do, which was build business credit independent of my personal credit. I wanted to separate my personal life from my business, which will give me greater peace of mind. It didn't take very long at all to do this under their guidance and suggestions. Realistically, it took about 6 months in my case. Sometimes I understand it can take less time. But you start by building starter accounts with such companies as Uline or Radio Shack or Quill, in my case, who were able to give me open lines of credit, and I made small purchases of $50 to $100 items that I would normally make in my normal business operations. At the end of 3 months, I had accomplished enough reportings to the 3 major business credit agencies, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, that I was able to get a Paydex rating of 80 from Dun & Bradstreet. That allowed me to then access and apply for credit with larger revolving types of companies. In my case, I got open lines of credit with Macy's, Staples, and with Amazon. At the end of about 6 months, as I said, I had about 10 different trade lines reporting, and that allowed me to then make application for Visa and MasterCards, $5,000 and $10,000 Visa and MasterCards. There are about 10 or 12 listed in the Business Finance Suite directory, and I was able to get about $55,000 in the form of business credit cards without any personal liability, which of course gives me peace of mind. I'm definitely going to share this with my clients and show them how easy it is to do. And again, I want to say thanks to the Business Finance Suite team for helping me.